twat! I think we could have lived around Killiswick. I think we missed out on. Thanks, yes, pull out, why don't you?
Control to make products made in Italy cheaper but still good for countries on the euro, and it was this really clever economic thing, and then they took the euro and it was like it kind of all went to shit. And I'm like, yeah.
Please consider the other side of the road.
On BBC Radio 2. Every evening I delve deeply into the back catalogues of the finest musicians, dusting off the forgotten favourites while always finding time for something new. This week we've already had...
You've been hitting the bottom.
Little Cleo needs to change lanes, but the big van is not going to let him change lanes. It's going to be
No, he did. Didn't want to.
Didn't want to.
Don't know why.
Oh shit!
Cleo nearly drove into me.
That's why it's not broken.
Lots of random Geordies.
I love caviar.
Oh yeah, mate. was that? What was that?
A5 at Cannock, good news. All lanes open from the M6 toll at T7 through to Log. 42 northbound. Now we've got between.
You doing, you car?
We've got an accident. We've got one lane shut. Queues back to 8 for the M6. 8.
No lights. No lights. We're adequate enough with the regular.
Anyway, you tried. You had a little bit. right only lane, dickhead. But yeah. But even then, it's just a matter of just getting to the train station. I'll just get the bus.
Yeah.
Whoa! These suicidal birds.
Racing.
Competitive racing, yeah. Oh dear, 3-car crashy.
Is she crashes Nashy? Or mates that have stopped? No, they don't look like they're mates. They
I
look
don't think
like
they're mates. I think we've got witnesses in a rear end by the look of it. He's watching YouTube on his little screen, isn't he? The little videos going.
Or is it a sat nav?
No,
it's a video.
It's a
isn't
video.
it?
He's watching a video as he's driving. Wow, multitasking. I'm sure that's lovely and legal. Interesting manoeuvre. Not quite sure that's kosher, mate.